Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant completes first quarter of financial year 2022 with all-time best production, and SAIL Mediclaim scheme renewed. Now the news in detail. Rourkela Steel Plant, a unit of the Maharatna Company SAIL, completed the first quarter of financial year 2021-22, registering its best ever production in the key areas. During the quarter, RSP produced 9,75,751 tons of hot metal, 9,01,829 tons of crude steel, and 8,40,146 tons of saleable steel to achieve the feat. The earlier best performance of the steel plant in all these areas were achieved in the year 2019. Besides, the plate mill rolled out 1,34,505 tons of plates to clock its best ever April-June performance, thereby improving upon its previous best Q1 performance achieved in 2014. The center plants, performing exceedingly well, produced 16,25,232 tons of center to record its best ever Q1 performance. The earlier best of 15,61,460 tons of center production was recorded in 2018. It is noteworthy that the record performance also helped RSP surpass 100 million tons of hot metal recently. By dispatching 8,42,587 tons of saleable steel, RSP clocked its best ever Q1 dispatch, thereby improving upon its earlier best performance of 7,85,048 tons achieved in 2018. The new plate mill dispatched 2,28,414 tons of plates to register its best April-June dispatch. The earlier best of NPM was 2,22,423 tons achieved in Q1 of 2019. Similarly, Hot Strip Mill 1 with a dispatch of 2,95,711 tons of HR coils for sale clocked its best ever April-June dispatch performance. The ERW pipe plant also dispatched 7,638 tons of pipes in the Q1 to register its best first quarter performance with a growth of 25.7% over corresponding period last year. Besides, following the growth trajectory, many major units of the steel plant achieved their best performance in June 2021 and fulfilled APP targets. CPP1 and CPP3 produced an average of 34.39 and 22.67 megawatt hours during the Q1 period, thereby registering a growth of 3.4% and 2.6% respectively over CPLY. The SAIL Mediclaim Scheme 2021-22 has been renewed for a period of 1 year starting from 11th July 2021 to 10th July 2022 with MS New India Assurance Co. Limited. The premium payable for renewal of membership of members below the age of 70 years is Rs 5,055, while for the members in the age group of 70 to 80 years, the premium payable is Rs 3,035. The members in the 80 years and above age group need not have to pay anything as a renewal premium except the enrollment charge of Rs 100. In addition to renewals, the fresh enrollments during the policy period 2021-22, the gap cases, that is, ex-employees who have failed to renew their membership or have never enrolled under SAIL Mediclaim scheme after separation from SAIL, and or those employees who were otherwise eligible in terms of the coverage criteria provided under the SAIL Mediclaim scheme 2021-22 shall also be allowed for enrollment under the scheme for 2021-22 on payment of subsidized premium based on their age category as mentioned above. Fresh enrollments for employees retiring during the policy period 2021-22 and their spouses shall be allowed for coverage under SAIL Mediclaim scheme 2021-22 on payment of pro rata premium. Further, the facility of super top-up has been there for willing ex-employees on payment of full premium on the existing terms and conditions of enrollment in SAIL Mediclaim scheme. The details of the SAIL Mediclaim scheme 2021-22 is available in Sampark website and also on SAIL website www.sail.co.in and SAIL Mediclaim portal sail.mdindia.com. The application form for gap cases can be downloaded from Sampark website. The last date for renewal under SAIL Mediclaim scheme and also for gap case enrollment at respective plant unit is 10th August 2021. Now we bring before you a message addressed to RSP Collective from former CEO RSP, Mr. G.S. Prasad, on the occasion of surpassing 100 million ton mark of hot metal production.
Dear Sri Chaturaj, CEO Rourkela Steel Plant and the RSP Collective, present and past, my greetings to all of you. At the outset, accept my congratulations on this momentous occasion when Rourkela Steel Plant is crossing the 100 million ton production of hot metal. It is a major milestone for any steel plant and a matter and achievement to rejoice. The plant started producing in 1960s with 1 million ton capacity and subsequently the capacity was expanded to 2 million ton and further expanded to 4.5 million ton of hot metal production. The present MODEX facilities in taking the capacity to 4.5 million ton of hot metal production was dedicated to the nation by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on 1st of April 2015. It was a matter of great pride for all of us in Rourkela, and for me personally it was a momentous occasion to remember, as I was fortunate enough that at that juncture I was heading the RSP team as CEO Rourkela Steel Plant. I am happy to learn that thereafter the plant has been growing leaps and bounds after the initial hiccups, and the production has stabilized and the plant has been producing at a rated capacity now for around more than 1 year. This is a matter of great pride and happiness for all of us in Rourkela. It is also heartening to note that Rourkela CEO bagged the Best CEO Award, which shows the commitment of RSP team to excel. The Best ED Award was also awarded to RSP. Each and every member of RSP team deserves congratulations for this achievement, and do not forget their family members who also deserves this congratulations. But this is not the end. I am a greedy one. I wish that the plant lifts Prime Minister's trophy in near future, and the coveted trophy which has been eluding us for long will not be a far dream for Rourkela, and RSP will definitely bag this coveted award in near future with their hard work and dedication. Rourkela brings back very nostalgic moments for me, as I have spent my formative years as a schoolboy and then going to REC Rourkela for my engineering. So Rourkela has a special place in my heart, and both me and my wife, because at the pinnacle of my career as CEO Rourkela Steel Plant, we have spent memorable 4 years from 2011 to 2015. So Rourkela memories always lingers in our mind, and it has a special place in our hearts. And we always wish that RSP and Rourkela grows into a better plant and a better place to live in. I am sure that the plant will definitely grow into a mammoth one, up to 10 million ton of expansion, with next phases of expansion which are on the anvil. We wish that RSP and Rourkela grows into a bigger place and bigger plant, and remain the anchor of sustainable growth in and around Rourkela. It has been doing in the past, but it should be doing it in a much larger scale, and it will contribute to the upliftment of life for people in and around Rourkela, as it has been doing in the past. We wish this very much, that RSP earns a very good name for itself. And as you are going to celebrate this 100 million ton hot metal production occasion, I vividly remember that during my childhood a similar celebration was there when RSP crossed 10 million ton saleable steel production, and a monument was set in Indira Gandhi Park. This time the celebrations must be on a very much larger scale, and I have also learned that a monument is being set up in the sector 2 and sector 3 area. So once again I congratulate each and every member of RSP team for this achievement, and wish all the very best to all of you. My congratulations and best wishes. At the end, I thank RSP management for inviting me to address you and be amongst you and feel the essence of celebration along with you. So thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Vande Utkal Janani. Jai Hind.
That's all for the news today. Namaskar.